Want to start using the new Skylight Social video app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Skylight Social. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Skylight Social, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Skylight Social at the top. Tap Skylight Social when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Skylight Social app. That's all it takes to download Skylight Social. Want to try out other TikTok alternatives? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.